Welcome to our Intro to Pricing. One of the first decisions Amazon sellers need to make is how to price their products. All sellers' prices have to comply with Amazon's Store Fair pricing policy. In addition to meeting this basic requirement, it's important to price your products carefully because price is often at the top of customers' minds when they review offers in the Amazon store. The price that a customer first sees on a product detail page is called an offer price. This price doesn't include any shipping fee, which appears at checkout, alongside other order-related expenses, discounts, rebates, or promotions. If you offer free shipping, a customer sees that below the offer price. You enter an offer price when you first add a product to your inventory in Seller Central, and can update that price later using multiple tools. You can use separate tools when you want to create or update shipping fees or other expenses or discounts that impact the total price a customer sees at checkout. Before you start setting offer prices in Seller Central, you'll want to get familiar with a few key concepts we use to organize and support pricing in the Amazon store. The first concept is a competitive external price. By that, we mean the lowest price for an item from major retailers outside Amazon. Amazon regularly monitors and shares competitive external prices with sellers as a point of reference. For your own price to be considered competitive in the Amazon store, your item price plus shipping must be less than or equal to the competitive external price we share. We share competitive external prices because they allow Amazon sellers to understand how their prices compare to prices outside the Amazon store. Competitive external prices also inform another key concept we use to organize offers within the Amazon store: the featured offer. A product's featured offer is the prominent offer a customer often sees above all other offers on a product detail page. It includes add to basket and buy now. To compete for the featured offer, you must set a competitive price for an item in new condition and have a professional selling account. If you, your product, and your price meet these requirements, your offer is put into a pool of other eligible offers, which we select from when choosing a featured offer for a customer. Sellers competing for the featured offer can increase their chances within this pool using several strategies. You can set prices lower than others within the pool and offer faster and free shipping and great customer service. Note that you may become ineligible for the featured offer based on account performance and other risk factors. This helps Amazon guard against abuse and ensure that customers have a great shopping experience. Competitive pricing and the featured offer can be important to success in the Amazon store. That's why we make it easy for you to compare your prices with competitive external prices and the featured offer. To view a list of your offers that aren't competitively priced or that are competitively priced but not featured, open the Seller Central main menu. Hover over Pricing and click Pricing Health. Under the Pricing Opportunities Overview heading, click between the different filters to see eligible and not eligible products for the featured offer. In addition to competitive external prices and featured offers, another key pricing concept is the lowest price currently offered by a seller in the Amazon store. We share the current lowest Amazon price for each product with the sellers who list it to give them the opportunity to match or beat it. To view the lowest Amazon price for a product you sell, open the Seller Central main menu, hover over Inventory, and click Manage All Inventory. You'll see the featured offer for the product too, and can click View Reference and Business Prices to see the featured offer, competitive external price, and lowest Amazon price side by side. You help define the current lowest price in relation to your offers, setting rules to compare by item condition and fulfillment method. To view and manage your lowest price settings, click the Preferences button on the Manage All Inventory page. Then scroll to the Low Price Comparison drop-down menus. We recommend reviewing and adjusting all your preferences to suit the needs of your business. When you're ready to set offer prices for your products, you can use two mechanisms: static prices and dynamic pricing rules. Let's review the options for static prices first. These are good options if you want to offer customers stable prices that only change when you change them. All sellers can set static prices one at a time when they add items to their inventory using the List Your Products tool. At the point in the listing process when you're entering offer information, enter your price manually. You can also view other listings and the lowest price on this page. To update static prices for your products one at a time, use the Manage All Inventory page. You can also click Edit to review and update all your offer information. If you're a professional seller, you can also set static prices in bulk. You'll use the Add Products via Upload tool in Seller Central, which you can access by hovering over Catalog in the main menu, then clicking Add Products via Upload. You can type in keywords to find and select the product categories you want to sell, or browse via product category. After selecting your product categories, generate spreadsheet and enter a static price and other offer information in the rows for each of your products. Then upload your inventory file to add all your products and offers simultaneously. To update static prices in bulk, simply update the prices in your saved inventory file, then re-upload it. When you make bulk updates, consider removing rows for any products that you don't want updated, as this helps prevent errors and allows for faster processing. Now let's review the options for dynamic pricing rules. These are good options if you want to keep your prices competitive or featured offer eligible automatically, even while offers from other sellers change. All sellers with a professional selling account can create and apply a single pricing rule to one or more products or SKUs in their Amazon inventory. Start by hovering over Pricing in the main menu. Then click Automate Pricing. Here you can view your existing rules and create predefined or custom pricing rules. You can apply Amazon's predefined rule to one or more of your products. This pricing rule automatically matches your offer price, plus shipping, with the current featured offer for each product you select. Or if prices from retailers external to Amazon are lower, the predefined rule matches to them instead. Professional sellers can also apply a variety of custom pricing rules. You can create a custom rule that sets your offer price plus shipping to match or be above or below either the featured offer or lowest price in the Amazon store. You can also create a custom rule that matches or caps your price with the lowest price from external retailers. If you want to decrease a price based on a sales volume target, you can create a custom rule that defines a time interval, threshold for units sold, or percent or amount off. For example, you might create a rule that lowers your price for a product by 10 Rand if the number of units sold drops below 20 in a 14-day period. Each time you use any pricing rule, you set a minimum price and have the option to set a maximum price for each product. This helps keep your sales within a range that's comfortable for your business. To update your pricing rules one at a time, simply return to the Automate Pricing tool. You can edit a rule which adjusts the pricing rule itself. Or you can edit the SKUs that any pricing rule has been applied to. Finally, if you're a professional seller, you can use the Automate Pricing tool to apply pricing rules in bulk. After creating one or more pricing rules, click the button next to the rule, then click the Manage SKUs via File Upload button on the next page. You'll generate an inventory file similar to the one used for uploading static prices in bulk. Choose either a blank file or pre-populated file that contains all active products in your inventory not yet assigned to a pricing rule. Add or adjust product and offer information, including the name of the pricing rule you want to apply to each product. When you've completed your file, return to the Automate Pricing tool to upload it and complete the process. To update how pricing rules are applied in bulk, professional sellers can edit their inventory file and return to the Automate Pricing tool. They repeat the upload process with their refreshed file. This concludes our Intro to Pricing. To learn more about the featured offer, or to get step-by-step instructions for the Automate Pricing tool, review the full list of modules in our Price Products course in Seller University.